Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today we're going to talk about how to build an email list from scratch for beginners. If you're looking for an online automated marketing tool to help you with your email marketing, I have the best recommendation for you. It is called System. Go to my description below to click on the link for a free account now. If you're just starting out, don't worry about not having any subscribers yet. Everyone has to start somewhere. The important thing is to get started and to be consistent with your efforts. Here are a few tips for you for those starting with 0 subscribers. You can start with your network. Reach out to your friends, family, colleagues, and other connections. Let them know about your email list and why they should subscribe. You can offer them an incentive, for example, free ebook or discount code. Use social media. Share your email list sign up link on your social media pages and encourage your followers to subscribe. You can also run social media contests and giveaways to generate leads. Create valuable content. Offer your subscribers something of value, such as blog posts, ebooks, white papers, or webinars. This will help you to build trust and credibility with your audience. Use email marketing software. Email marketing software can help you to automate your email marketing tasks and track the results of your campaigns. There are many different email marketing software options that are available out there, so be sure to choose one that is right for your needs. If you're looking for an online automated marketing tool to help you with your email marketing, I have the best recommendation for you. It is called System. Go to my description below, click on the link for a free account now. Here are a few other ways to reach out to people and get sign-ups for your email list. You can attend industry events. This is a great way to meet new people and learn about new trends. And when you're at the industry events, be sure to collect business cards and follow up with the people after the event. Make sure you create lead magnets. A lead magnet is a piece of valuable content or offer that you give away for free in exchange for for someone's contact information. Lead magnets can be ebooks, white papers, case studies, templates, checklists, webinars, or even discount codes. When creating lead magnets, be sure to make them relevant to your target audience and to provide them with value, good value. You can also offer guest blogging opportunities. If you have a blog, you can offer guest blogging opportunities to other bloggers in your industry. This is a great way to get exposure to a new audience and to generate leads. You can partner with other businesses. When you partner with other businesses in your industry, you will cross-promote your email list. For example, you can offer each other's subscribers a discount or exclusive offer. Building an email list takes time and effort, but it's worth it. An email list allows you to stay in touch with your customers and leads and to promote your products and services to them directly. By following the tips in this video, you can start building your email list from scratch and start growing your business. Once again, if you're looking for an online automated marketing tool to help you with your email marketing, I have the best recommendation for you. It's called System. Go to the description below, click on the link now for a free account now. I wish you good health, wealth, and success.